So, hello, dear Taurus. Welcome to my channel, Karmic Sage. I hope you all are doing great. And here I am ready with your cards for the month of November 2020. Before I begin my reading, I request you all Virgos to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. So Virgos, let's start your reading for the month of November 2020. I have your cards here as I said, and they are pointing me. The first card is a Seven of Swords, which is pointing me that see which is saying me that you have not seen properly the pros and cons of something before you have started something, or before you were doing something from the past few weeks, which has you did not had a better clarity of it. You did not made that effort of putting of gaining a better clarity on it. So there is a possibility. So this is not possibility, but yes, that was a learning. And that you see, then you see might have experienced some delays, or might have experienced that the things are not falling in place properly. So yes, this was a learning for you, Virgo. And this learning is now, this month you are going to get some kind of mentor, some kind of mentor coming in your life, or some kind of guidance coming in your life this month, which is going to help you in dealing with this no a confused situation, where you are not analyzing, where you are not able to analyze probably. There may be situations now where you may not be analyzed, make a possible decision. So there is a help coming your way, where I can see some experienced person, some reliable person is going to help you with proper strategy, is help going to help you with his or her experience, is going to give some valuable inputs this month. Yeah, that is very important Virgos for you. So just consider it. Okay, and then I'm seeing that with this help, or with this kind of person, or the help coming your way, you are able to form a good strategy also. So this is a month, or next few weeks, just start planning for the future. So this is the time where you are not supposed to do some action. This is the time where I am seeing all the cards are pointing me that yes, you need to take a stand now, and plan for the future. So what exactly you want, and how exactly you're going to achieve that. So this is the time which is going to favor you with planning solutions. Yeah, so this is what you should note down, Virgo. And yes, so I'm seeing that yes, a favorable time also. I mean, some calm, not much things happening this year, probably because the Diwali is also coming up. So you are going to have a good time as well on Diwali, or on this festive season. So there is not much, there is not many complications. Otherwise, Virgo, for you this month. Yeah. So at the same time, a high priest is here, which is suggesting you that you should be, no, you should trust yourself, you should trust your intuition. Okay, you should trust your intuition while you plan, while you strategize things, and while you do something. So instead of keeping your trust on someone else, keep it onto you. This is important here. Okay, so try to trust yourself, try to no listen to your intuition, what it is saying to you, what it wants you to do. So just consider these things, Virgo. These are very important for this month. I am seeing that there is a conflict within you with Five of Swords again. Yeah, Five of Swords in your position. I'm saying there is going to be a kind of conflict going inside with you, which says that it's like an egoistic conflict, where you want yourself to win. So this is kind of behavior which I think you should avoid a little. Yeah, Virgo. So you should avoid a little, becoming egoistic. So that will help you a lot then. Okay, so just think about all these things what I am telling you. And yes, so with these things in mind, I am seeing that the future, I mean in the later months, later, probably this next month, or later part of I mean next coming year also, you are going to gain some kind of stability, a financial stability as well. Yeah, and a kind of peace within you, with you. Yeah, so there is a lot of stability coming to you that time in the future. So Yeah, a lot of learning for you, Virgo, is it? And then I have your energy card with me. Yep, blossoming abundance. So yes, Virgo, probably I think yes, there you have already made your effort. So this is the time to count on it. So this is the time, exactly what I said is, this is not the time where you should be working simply working on the things around, but you should analyze the things, take consider, be recipient, and accept things coming to your way. At the same time, plan for the future properly. So by listening to your intuition. Yeah, so this is how I can correlate everything here. uh, yeah, about you, I would say yes, this is very important, that you should not allow yourself to getting into this self conflict or to prioritize your ego. So try to avoid these things, dear Virgo. This is important this month. Yeah, and that is what better things are going to happen. Important is you have to trust yourself and believe yourself, listen to your intuition. Okay, and of course blossoming abundance card is here, which is definitely going to get you some kind of materialistic benefit, actually, the Virgos. So have a great time. This Diwali is going to be a boom to you. Yeah, so have a great time. Happy Diwali. Very happy and prosperous Diwali for you, Virgos. I see you again in the next month. Okay, till then, take care, take good care of yourself. Bye bye, see you.